I have a one regret in my entire life that why I am an introvert person, because cause of the introvert I did face lot of the problems in my life. And maybe if I don't create and don't become a like an extrovert person, so maybe I'll have to face lot of the problem in future as well. So I want to share my experiences and my life journey and my English speaking journey. Do you know that one introvert person, for a one introvert person, the English speaking is a more important and it's more difficult for introvert person, because extrovert person handle all of the things, but introvert person cannot handle lot of the things like front of the camera, sometimes like family members laughing at you. So many things is running on in introvert person. And I'm also exist, and I'm also like a belong to the introvert category of the person. So I have a, that I did focus, I did face a lot of the problems cause of the my introvert personality. Like I feel ashamed sometimes, like sometimes public area, and my speaking and my communication skill is very less. This kind of the problem, cause of this kind of the problem, I have not grown in my YouTube videos in yet. That's why this problem, that I'm introvert category. That's why I'm not focused, like I cannot able to talk with the other person very good way. I don't know why. It's my like it's my childhood, it's my like a born, that born like a habit. It's not my won't create habit. It's my childhood habit. Why this thing is happened with me, I don't know. I cannot able to speak, and I cannot able to express my thoughts very clearly. This problem, cause of this problem, my YouTube is not grow. I cannot able to grow my YouTube. So it's my, you can say that it's my unfortunate, and it's a very bad thing for me that I cannot able to like express my thoughts very clearly. I'm introvert category of the person. For the English speaking, you should have to lot of the topics, and you should have to become like a extrovert. More and more topics you are able to speak, then you will able to speak this language. For the English speaking, it's a very good thing that you have a communication skill, you have a speaking skill, you have a lot of the topics, you are able to discuss one topic approximately like a 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So that's a good thing. But in the introvert situation, this is a very rough, and this is very difficult for me, for an introvert person, that one topic I cannot able to speak with the approximate in a 2 minute. It's a very rough thing for me that I cannot able to speak. And I want to improve my communication skill, and I want to remove my all of the assumptiveness, all of the my miscommunication, misspeaking skills. I want to improve my communication skills and speaking skills. So how can I improve? It's my question to you. Please give me answer in comment box, okay? And then that daily practice is more important to improve my communication skill, as well as my English speaking. But I have tried more and more time, but I cannot able to improve my communication skill. But I want to improve my communication skill. So how can I grow, and how can I improve my communication skill? Please tell me in comment, okay? Pin the comment box. So that for the English speaking, you should have more and more topics. You are able to speak in the one topic approximately 30 minutes, 15 minutes, then you are able to speak this language. Then it's very work for you to speak English language. Literally guys, it's very work for you. Try to speak English is good. How many time you're trying to speak, it's depend on your fluency, it's your capabilities. But you are not you have not skill of the communication. You are not capable to speak in a specific topic with a long time. So your English is a good, but your communication is a less. So because of the less communication, your English looks like a bad. And I did use lot of the apps for my communication skills and improve my English speaking. Like one of the most app is, name is Peer Up and Episodent, Duolingo. So many things and so many apps I have tried to speak this language. And literally this app also provided me lot of the things to learn this language, like a text, speech, and as well as the video calls, audio calls. So many things I have used, and then I'm able to speak this language with front of you. But I know that like a introvert person, it's a very bad thing. Maybe it's not a bad thing, but you can say like it's provide you less and unbenefit. it's like unbenefit things you have if you are an introvert person. If you have an extrovert person, so you have a benefit, not a unbenefit. Okay, so you know that introvert person also face this kind of the problem. Maybe you should know about it. And you know that try to speak English language then feel ashamed with the front of the camera. I feel ashamedness, like someone person don't like watch me to speak this language, whatever he told me about me, like so many things, you know, running in my mind. Sometimes I practice to speak this language like mirror practice, but I have not in like in my home I have not a big mirror, I have a small mirror. So sometimes I try to speak and mirroring the my face into face. I don't know you are an extrovert or introvert. Maybe if you are a introvert person, so try to communicate with the other person. And then if you don't do it this thing, so you will have to face lot of the problems in your life, in your in future life. So try to communicate with other person, like try to speak with your parents, like any person, any stranger person. Then you will become a good speaker. If you don't practice it, so you will never become, okay, in your entire life, the English speaking. Because cause of the English speaking, and if you want to speak this language, so communication skill and communication master skill is a more important, more significant for English learning, as well as you know pronunciation as well very important, and word clarity is a more important. Like when you speak English language, the word clarity, the pronunciation, accent is a more important. Because you have you know that you are learned all of the things, but your pronunciation is not very good, your accent is not very good, so your English looks like very bad, not very good, not very professional. Your friends English looks like very good and your English looks like very bad. Cause of the my introvert personality, I cannot able to speak this language lot of the ways, lot of the discuss topics. I cannot able to discuss lot of the topics because I have not a skill of the communication. How can I speak English, and how can I start my English journey? Okay, I have started my English speaking journey, but I cannot able to deliver my thoughts very good way, very best way as compare other. You can say that my English communication is a good, but my communication skill is not very good, and my like a body personality is not very much and good as compare other. That's why I cannot able to focus on front of the camera and front of the lot of the person. My personality is a little bit less as compare other person. So I will try to best myself, I will give my 100% to enhance this kind of the communication skill, English speaking things. So yeah, I will try. And literally guys, in future in this video and in this channel, I will provide lot of the videos to learn any language, not only English. Okay.